The reason behind her absence in a certain party, people cannot accept hook, line, and sinker simply because it's the lamest of all excuses. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss Mikumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Kitty Show, Tarayana Talakayan Showbiz Edition. People's tongue are wagging. At ang sinasabi nila, nasa delicate situation ang relasyon ni na Arjo Atayde at Maine Atayde. Dahil nga, meron silang mga resibong pinagsisigawan. Una, meron raw, tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong, Mare. May videong pinost si Bayani Agbayani na nagpapakita na wala si Maine Mendoza sa party. Na, hindi ko alam kung anong kaarawan yon.
Joint birthday party.
Joint birthday ni Maine.
No.
Nino.
Joint birthday party of Main's Hipag, Ria Atayde, and Main's father-in-law, Art Atayde.
Art Atayde. So, Maine was conspicuously absent in the said event. Tapos, what added fuel to the fire is the fact that Bayani deleted the video.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi, kung wala namang masama na wala doon si Maine, bakit kailangang i-delete?
Ang explanation, nag-explain naman si Bayani.
Anong explanation niya?
Parang it was a private event,
Mhm.
so nagkamali siya, pinost niya.
Okay. Valid yung reason. Pangatlo, it took a while for the camp of Arjo Atayde specifically to offer the explanation why his wife was absent. And ang naglabas pa ng chika is their publicist na ang sinasabi may sakit si Maine kaya hindi ito nakadalo sa nasabing pagtitipon. But of course, when you say someone is sick at wala kang pinakitang medical records, wala kang sinabi kung ano yung sickness, wala kang sinabi kung saang ospital, added more fuel to the fire kasi napakalame yung excuse na nagsakit.
It was general.
Diba? It was general. Pwede mo namang sabihin, she was sick of, she was allergic to, she had a bad fever that raised to this kind of temperature, and she was confined in this and that hospital. Para kwentos claras yung kwento. Because the mere sweeping statement of she being sick is like sweeping something dirty under the rug. What say you?
Kasi, before that, kasi nag-birthday si Maine sa Itbulaga.
Okay. Was Arjo there?
Yun ang inaano ng mga tao. Bakit wala?
Wala si
Si
Arjo.
Arjo.
Baka naman sick din si Arjo.
Let's talk about coincidence. Di ba? The couple being sick after another, di ba?
Oo, di ba?
Tapos, parang dun din sa mga post ni Maine, during her birthday, parang solo-solo lang siya. Wala ano. Pero, nag-message, nag-Instagram post si Arjo, saying how much he loves Maine, pero may siya, may yung given doon na parang they deduce it as something explanatory about the rumored breakup is because may line doon na parang sinabi yung the ups and downs na they went through. So parang people thought na parang they were on a rough patch.
Lahat naman talaga ng marriages,
Tapos naghiwalay na, di ba? Naghiwalay na.
And isa pang, I think that what added more steam to it, totoo nga bang she went to Paris on her own?
That I don't know.
Kasi meron account on X claiming that she went to Paris on her own para raw magmuni-muni.
Mm.
according to that online account.
Alam
Pero
mo,
wala namang makapaglabas ng resibo na she really went to Paris.
alam mo yung PR ni
Ni Arjo.
Arjo, yung Chuk Gomez ba 'yon?
Mm.
Oo, alam mo dapat kasi diniretso na niya
Mm.
yung explanation
Mm.
na hindi lang naman yung hindi lang naman yung yung why Maine was absent
During the party.
birthday party. The bigger picture is that people were thinking hiwalay na sila.
Mm.
So dapat diniretso na niya, no, hindi sila
No,
hiwalay.
they're not separated.
Oo.
On the day of the
Oo.
party,
Oo.
Maine was just sick.
Oo, 'di ba parang diniretso
Oo.
niya para wala ng cloud
Oo.
doon sa mga utak ng mga
Yes.
netizens, sa mga people.
Oo.
That's how a good PR does things, 'di ba? Dapat gano'n na parang dapat ahead ka. Kasi the story is not just Maine being absent in the in the party. The story, the bigger picture, the bigger story is that she and Arjo are being rumored to be on their separate ways.
Okay.
Naghiwalay na sila. Dapat yun ang ginawa ng
Yun ang unang in-address.
Oo, yun ang inano. Di, tapos na ang kwento.
Oo.
Di ba? Everything is under peaceful di
Oo.
ba?
And then,
Oh.
whatever was the sickness, substantiate it with facts. Ano
di
yung
ba?
sakit?
Oo.
Saan na ospital?
Oo, kasi-
Bakit?
Kasi parang the statement opened more more
More
worms.
questions.
More questions, more
More intrigue.
Oo.
More speculations.
Oo, more
Lalo na
curiosity, di ba?
Lalo na you never said whatever was her sickness. Was it morning sickness?
Oo, kasi di ba?
Sickness of the whatever?
Di ba? Yun ang yun ang hindi naiisip ng ibang PR. Be specific, di ba? Tapusin
You don't have
mo
to be
na.
vague.
Oo. You don't have to be general. Oh, nagkasakit po siya. Ang sakit po niya ay ganito na she was told to take bed rest for 2 days or 2 nights.
For example, she had a serious case of loose bowel movement. She has to be hospitalized and she has to be under dextrose.
Oo, di ba parang
Di
gano'n?
klaro.
Oo, kasi di ba you were putting vague statements.
Para you keep the people hanging.
Oo.
Parang bitin na bitin.
Oo, parang, who are you fooling? Ganun na nagiging dating. Eh, you have to be blunt about it. Ay, nakasakit po siya. Ito nga po, Tapos picture, nasa hospital nga po siya.
Ito
Dito
yung
po.
medical report. Ito yung medical
Tapos
report
ang
ng
kwento,
doktor. Papabasa mo.
Di ba? Kaya wala pong hindi na alam nga po siya ni Arjo. Ayan, So, the chismis that they are separated is not true. Tapos,
Oo.
Cuentas Claras. Di ba ganun lang yun?
Parang dapat ikaw ang hearing authority. Na
Bakit?
PR.
Ay, hindi kasi ako.
Mas mahusay kang mag-damage control,
Oo,
sis.
ay, kasi ako, di ba, parang walang walang
Alinlangan.
Oo.
Walang agam-agam. Walang bulong-bulungan.
walang hole.
Ayun nga.
Oo, walang tawag dito, walang gap.
Hindi naman kaya ganun lang ang statement kasi may mga aabangan pa tayong susunod na kabanata.
Baka, tsaka hindi
Inuunti-unti.
Oo, kasi, you pin the nail. Diretsuhin mo. Para people will not be will not be
People will not wonder anymore.
will not be yakking about the couple. Kasi kung hindi mo ina-address directly and bluntly the issue, di kawawa yung kliyente mo.
Kawawa si Arjo.
Oo,
kawawa
kasi kung
si
anong
Lynn.
sasabihin kay Arjo, kung anong sasabihin kay Maine, diretsuhin mo na. Ay, hindi po sila they're not separated. Ito po ang di tapos.
Pinakamaganda yung suggestion mo, kung talagang nagkasakit, dapat ang nalabas, larawan ni Arjo na nasa ospital, nagbabantay kay Maine.
Oo, di ba?
And that will stop, isang larawan lang, and that will stop all speculations.
Oo, kasi pag PR ka, not only do you, tawag dito, parry of intrigues, you should substantiate whatever statement that you will issue.
Release.
Diba?
Oo.
Dapat ganon. Hindi naman ganon ang ginawa
Basta nagkasakit.
Oo, basta general, nagkasakit.
Di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko, it was...
Paano kung nagkasakit, pero nagkasakit siya not during that time. Di ba? Pwede yun.
Di ba?
Di ba?
Kaya nga di ba sabi ko kanina sa intro, it was the lamest excuse. Nagkasakit ng
Di ba?
sana ospital. Hindi dinalaw ni Arjo.
Di ba?
Dumami na pala, lalo lang nadagdagan yung mga tanong.
You open more can of worms, di
Can
ba?
of worms. So a very easy situation to handle. Well, what else can we say except please, manood po kayo sa aming Diario Torada YouTube channel. Sundan kami sa aming Facebook pagina. Kasi po ang The Reality Show ay ikinatanghal tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ocho Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Salamat po sa panonood, sa pagtutok, at sa pag-subscribe sa The Reality Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Magandang linggo po sa ating lahat.